In today's air fryer series, we are making up delicious mushrooms. I am telling you, they are so quick and easy. Once I discovered how to make up all these healthy vegetables in my air fryer, it was like meal prep and weight loss game changer. So today, start off with 3 cups of fresh mushrooms in your bowl, and then we're going to throw them in the air fryer. They're done in 10 minutes. We're going to put them together in a macronutrient balanced meal, and we are going to send our weight loss soaring. Let's hop right into it. So to get started, all you do is preheat your air fryer at 385 degrees for 2 minutes. And then let's go over and prep up our mushrooms. So like I said, we have our 3.5 cups of mushrooms down in the bowl because, as you know, when mushrooms cook up, they really, shrink up quite a bit. And then we're just going to go ahead and drizzle the 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over the mushrooms. They just need a light coating, something for the seasonings to stick to. And then, believe it or not, let me show you this. Put on a splash of cayenne pepper. When I tell you that the blend of the cayenne pepper with the garlic powder to create the spicy mushroom effect is just out of this world. But again, we have talked about cayenne pepper before. A tiny bit goes a very long way. We are very generous with our garlic powder. At least I am. Get the garlic powder all coated. A little bit of the pink Himalayan salt. You know how I feel about ground ginger. If you've checked out any of my other videos, it is just like a super spice as far as how it goes to work inside of your body. Gets rid of that inflammation that's been built up inside of your body. Great for gut repair. For just a little bit more flavoring, the onion powder. It kind of almost reminds me of, like, did you ever see like the like a mushroom gravy at those hometown restaurants? I just don't do the gravy part because your body doesn't need it. So get those all mixed together, being intentional to get the fresh ingredients and starting to meal prep these out. If you're on a weight loss journey or just trying to be healthier, incorporating the air fryer has just made a world of difference. Now we just have to go throw them in our preheated air fryer. And I do have the 6-quart Chefman, if you're wondering what size my air fryer is. I just find that for the meal prep and the bulk meal prepping that I like to do, it's able to hold the most so that I'm able to make up, 4 to 6 meals ahead of time, which I love. So go ahead and drop those down into the tray. You can see they're overlapping a little bit, but that isn't going to be any problem. You don't want to stack them too high, but they're going to cook up really nice. And just place it back in there, 385, and we are going to do it for 10 minutes. I might shake it halfway through. I'll let you know. And we wait. All right, so we're down to the last few seconds, and they are done. Now let's pull them out of the air fryer and check those out. Are you seeing this? So just to recap for everyone who is here, just to know how to make the mushrooms in the air fryer. I have the 6-quart Chefman, 385 for 10 minutes. And I told you that I would let you know if I shook them halfway through. I did. I don't think it really makes much of a difference though. But if you want to, go ahead, give them a shake. And if you are wanting crispier mushrooms, all you have to do, bump that temperature up to 400 and cut back on the olive oil a little bit. So that's how they turned out. All right, so you guys saw how easy those were to make, and look at those. The 3 cups, you can see they shrunk up quite a bit, but no problem at all. I'm still going to be able to meal prep out a few meals with these, and they smell amazing. So now to turn this into a macronutrient balanced meal, we are going to start off with our quinoa. It's the garlic and olive oil. I've showed you guys this brand before. Again, always flip it around. Look at those ingredients down there. Make sure that what you think is in here is actually what's in here. And this Target brand definitely, checks all the boxes for me. Quick and easy, 90 seconds, can't beat it. So I go ahead and I do half a cup of the quinoa down in the bottom of the bowl. And for a little bit of crunch and of course the fiber, I like to add in just the fresh bell pepper, the sweet bell pepper. So I do half a cup of that. And of course, we always have to add in our protein source. It's always so good to make sure, especially in the evening. Again, if you're watching my channel and you're into your 40s, protein is essential. So put on, a couple ounces of your grilled chicken breast. And of course, the star component, just go ahead and do half a cup, 2/3 of a cup, whatever you enjoy. I'm going to be full and satisfied. And look at it. How easy did that come together? I so hope you guys are enjoying this air fryer series. If you are, do me a favor and go ahead and click that like button down below. It really helps send my videos out into the YouTube universe. And please make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my video uploads. And if you can think of anybody else who might benefit from cooking healthier options in their air fryer, go ahead and share my channel with them. I'm going to go enjoy my dinner. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think of it, and I'll see you in the next one.